morning, you guys. I'm going to do a vlog today. So I literally just woke up. It's Sunday morning to start my day. I'm just gonna go grab some coffee from this coffee spot. It's actually a tea spot, but they have these cloud teas and they have cloud coffee. I saw it on their front door, like on a picture on their front door. And it looks like an iced caramel macchiato, and that's what I get from Starbucks. So I wanna try it for the first time, their cloud coffee. So I'll bring you guys along with me today. So first, since I woke up, I need to go brush my teeth. So let's go do that. Alright, now that my teeth are brushed, I'm going to change my outfit. So I just put on a little black crop top thing from Fashion Nova and then some black biker shorts from some other random store, but you can get these anywhere. I'm sure these are from Fashion Nova or Shein or something like that. And yeah, before I go, I'm going to put on some Aveeno Positively Radiant with SPF 15 and then some Carmex chapstick for my lips. And then, let's bounce. Now I'm going to see if I can order it ahead of time, actually, so I can just pull up and grab it. Ordering it ahead, I'm gonna do the cloud coffee cloud. What is it? 1, add to cart. Alright, it'll be ready soon. Before I leave, I'm gonna put on some deodorant and then also some perfume. I'm gonna use the KKW Body. And then off we go. And now I'm off. So I do have a car tour video on my YouTube channel if you guys are interested in checking that out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so dumb. I forgot my phone when I left my house, so now I'm on my way back to get it because I don't want to go anywhere without my phone in case of an emergency, you know? So, I'm gonna grab my phone and then try this again. Woo, okay, grabbed my phone. Now, on the way again. So I just pulled up, it's right there, and I'm gonna go in and grab it, but I'm not gonna bring my camera with me because that is just kind of awkward. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. It looks so good. Oh my god. Literally, how good does this look? Oh my god. Yum. This is looking delicious. Hold on, I'm gonna take it. I took it out of its little sleeve so you can see it better. And the top is like frothy. Oh my god, this looks so good. I cannot wait to try it. It gives me Wendy's Frosty vibes by the way that it looks, you know? But when I was trying to drink it, I feel like this foamy stuff at the top was just coffee flavored at the top, and then the rest was just straight milk. So when I go to taste it, all I taste is milk. So I'm trying to stir it together to see if this helps. But it's kind of thick. Whatever. Okay, well now that I have this, I need to find something to eat, and I have no idea what I want to eat, so this should be fun. Let's, I guess I'll get back with ya. Pretty palm trees. I love when palm trees are lined up like this. I think they're so pretty. Alright, so I figured I'm gonna eat an acai bowl, so I just pulled up to this acai place, and I'm gonna order a bowl, and I'll be right back and show it to you. And this is my acai bowl. So if you guys have never had acai before, it's like delicious. It's almost like a smoothie in a bowl kind of with like fruit on top made out of this fruit called an acai. I'm not 100% sure, but it's really good and I like to eat them, and this is mine today. And that's a guy skateboarding behind it. All right, anyway. I took a bite, now you guys can kind of see in it better, but down there, like the purple stuff is the acai, and it's like a smoothie in a bowl, and then there's coconut shreds, granola, there's honey, there's mango, passion fruit, strawberries, and like they come with different fruit on the top. I don't know, but these are the business. I love these. I love eating these for breakfast or for a snack or whatever. They are just good. And now I'm on my way back home to get my day started, and yeah. Okay, so I just got back home and I just changed back into my robe, and I'm actually just gonna chill out for a little bit and relax again and partake in some recreational activities that are legal in my state but maybe not in yours or in your country, because my videos keep getting demonetized whenever I show it, so I'm not gonna show it. I'm gonna let y'all use your imagination, and I'll be back after I chill out for a little bit. Okay, now I'm back over to my vanity chair. I just grabbed a Pure Life sweet tea out of my mini fridge and I'm gonna start my makeup. And I'm not gonna do my makeup in this vlog. I have a video that I just recently posted that I will, I'll just link all the videos in the bio, so check the bio for all the linked videos, and I'll be right back. I've come to the conclusion that I want to order a pizza first before I do my makeup, so I put on this snazzy little number. White crop top. These look black, but they're navy blue. Biker shorts, some slides, and then this Levi. I have my ginormous Mary Poppins bag that has everything you need in it, and then I'm gonna go. Actually, I think I'm gonna order it online first. Actually, I think I'm gonna call it ahead, so...
The person you have dialed can't
That
take
is
your
so
call
sad.
now. At the tone, please
No.
record your message. When you have
No.
finished recording,
Alright, I'm gonna... Wait, what time is it? 7? Oh my god, it's Sunday? Shit. It says they're open till 8. I'm gonna try to call again. Maybe it's just not meant to be. Maybe I just have to go in there. Damn it. Let me order ahead. I'm sad. But now if they answer, I feel annoying. Oh my god, I should just go now.
the person you have
Damn it.
dialed.
Okay, that is so sad. Guess I have to go. Oh, do you guys want to see my mask that I wear when I go out? So it's pink and it has the little LVs and the monogram or whatever. This is what it looks like on. This is what I look like when I go into establishments. It's so pretty out. Alright, I just got back in my car. First things first, I'm gonna use some antibacterial spray. This eucalyptus tea from Bath & Body Works smells so good. Oh my god, you guys should get it. It smells well. And then this is my pizza. I got double bacon, double pineapple. That is my shit. That is my order every single time that I go. Cannot go wrong. Pineapple does go on pizza. You need to develop your taste buds if you think it doesn't. Seriously. And I also got a Dr. Pepper. Delicious, delicious beverage. Gotta love it. And now I'm gonna head back home. Oh my god, yay. Now my boyfriend just finished doing what he was doing, so I'm gonna meet up with him now. I think we're actually gonna meet at a park, and I'm gonna eat my pizza outside, picnic style. And yeah, I don't feel like introducing you guys to him yet, so I'm just not. But in due time, in due time. Cute! Okay, that was fun. Now we are leaving the park and we are gonna meet at my house now. Alright, little detour. Me and my boyfriend stopped to get some chocolate bash. This is such good dessert, you guys. Oh my god. Then after this, I'm gonna go get a car wash because a bird pooped on my car. And that is just so rude. So I'm gonna go just do a quick little drive-through car wash. The bag has been secured. So these are their mini pancakes with cookie butter and Nutella, and they're fire. And chocolate covered strawberries because, like, they're just fire. Yay! Now I'm in the car wash. Woohoo! Okay, now I'm back to my room and we are gonna watch some Netflix now. And lately I've been watching The Chase and Jeopardy. And I think today we're gonna watch The Chase. Game shows are life. I love game shows. I wish I could go on Family Feud.
This season on The Chase.
I just lit this candle that I got from Bath and Body Works. Strawberry pound cake. It's super bomb. It's almost gone. And I also turned on my lava lamp for ultimate vibes and set my lights to blue for ultimate vibes. And I think I'm gonna open up The Sims now. Notice how I never ended up doing my makeup today. But anyways, I guess I'm just gonna end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I'll try to do it more often. I just need to do more interesting things. I don't know. I feel like I am pretty boring for the most part, so I don't know. But okay, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys on the next video.